Hi students, welcome to NSR IT and NEET Academy. This is the fourth session of trigonometry for junior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss some compound angle formulas, and by using this compound angle formulas we have to find sin 15, cos 15, tan 15 and cot 15, and again sin 75, cos 75, tan 75 and cot 75, how to find these values, and after that we can find different type of values. Okay, so first compound angles formulas. Compound angle means the sum of two angles are difference of two angles of trigonometric ratios. So first one is sin of a plus b. So here this is a is one angle and b is one angle, and sum of these two angles. So trigonometric ratio with sum of two angles. So this is compound angle. So sum or difference, again we have sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b and tan a minus b, cot a plus b and cot a minus b. So these all are compound angle formulas. So sin of a plus b you can write as sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is compound angle of sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next, sin of a minus b. So formula same similar to sin a plus b, but in place of plus you write here minus. So say sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this is formula of sin a minus b. Next, cos a plus b, cos a plus b. So cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So compound angle of cos, if we have a plus in formula we can write here minus, and again here write both are same, cos a cos b, but in sin we are write first sin and cos, here multiple of sin and cos, but here multiple of both cos and here both sin. So if we have a plus write here minus. So cos of a plus b formula is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next, cos of a minus b. So formula same, but in place of minus write here plus. If we have in cos formula, if we have plus write here minus, if we have minus write here plus sin a sin b. So next, tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Next, tan of a minus b. In tan a plus b, so here numerator plus and denominator minus. Now here we get numerator minus and denominator plus, that is tan of tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So again we have cot formulas. So next, cot a plus b. In cot here tan numerator and denominator reverse, here denominator value write numerator and numerator value write here denominator, and this value also write here reverse. So cot a plus b is equal to cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Or you write here cot a plus cot b. So if you write cot b plus cot a, cot b plus cot a, you can easily remember next formula also. So eighth one is cot A minus B. So cot A plus B is cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A. Next here cot A minus B. So this is also cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So formula same, in place of minus write here plus, in place of plus write here minus. So write here cot B plus cot A, here cot B minus cot A. So these all are compound angles of trigonometric ratio sin, cos, tan and cot. Okay na. So using these formulas we can find another trigonometric ratio values, those are sin 15 and sin 75. So this formulas are also very important. Remember this one. So next, by using this compound angles, how to find sin 15, cos 15, tan 15 and cot 15. So first one is sin 15. So sin 15 we can write as 45 minus 30, or we can write as 60 minus 45. You can write 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 45, we get same value. So 15 I can write here as 45 minus 30. So it becomes sin A minus B formula, sin of A minus B. So here A value 45 degrees, B value 30 degrees. So apply here formula, sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So 1 into root 3 by root 2 into 2, 2 root 2 minus 1 by, here also root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. So we get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So here LCM is 2 root 2. So sin 15 value, sin 15 value is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next cos 15, cos 15. So cos 15 also we can write as cos of 45 minus 30. So cos 45 minus 30, apply here cos A minus B formula. So cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B. So in cos we have minus, here we get plus, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is sin 45 into sin 30. So it is equal to, so apply your values, cos 45 value 1 by root 2, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Next sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So here LCM root 2 root 2, we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 15. So sin 15 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, and here cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So again we have tan 15 and cot 15. Next tan 15. So tan 15 we can write as 45 minus 30. So apply here tan A minus B. So tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So apply here tan 45 value 1 minus tan 30 value 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So here we get 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So here LCM is root 3 into 1 root 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by here also root 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So denominator values root 3 get cancelled. We get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So here same values are same, but here minus and plus is there. So rationalize this one. So why we are here rationalize and remove here denominator value. So here numerator root 3 minus 1. So rationalize with root 3 minus 1 means root 3 minus 1 multiply and divide. So write here rationalize with root 3 minus 1. So here denominator root 3 plus 1 is there, rationalize with root 3 minus 1. So we get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So x into x square, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square by, so here denominator a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So apply here a minus b whole square formula, a square root 3 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 by root 3 square, here square root get cancelled, we get 3 minus 1 square value 1. So here also square root get cancelled, we get 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So here apply a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab by root 3 square means square root get cancelled, we get 3 minus 1 square value 1. So here root 3 square root cancel, we get 3, 1 square value 1, 2 into 1 2 into root 3 2 root 3. So we get 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 3 minus 1 2. So 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So here numerator take it as common 2, we get 2 minus root 3. 2 2s are 4, again 2 into 3 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, we get the value 2 minus root 3. So this is the value of tan 15. So tan 15 value is equal to 2 minus root 3. So similarly we can find cot 15. So cot 15 equal to, so we can write cot 45 minus 30. So here apply cot a minus b formula. So cot a minus b equal to cot b cot a plus 1 by cot b minus cot a, means cot 30 minus cot 45. So cot 30 value is root 3 and cot 45 value is 1. So here root 3 into 1 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So here rationalize with root 3 plus 1. So we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 square by here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Apply here a plus b whole square formula, root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1. So here we get square root get cancel, 3 and 1 square 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. So take it as common 2, we get 2 plus root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancel. So cot 15 value is equal to 2 plus root 3. So tan 15 value is 2 minus root 3 and cot 15 value is 2 plus root 3. So these two values also very important. Next sin 75. So sin 75 we can write as 45 plus 30. So 45 plus 30 is 75. So sin 75 we can write as 45 plus 30. So apply here sin a plus b formula. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos a sin b. So sin 45 1 by root 2 and cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 and sin 30 value 1 by 2. So 1 into root 3 by root 2 into 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So here LCM 2 root 2 we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of sin 75. So sin 75 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next cos 75. So cos 75 we can write as 45 plus 30. So cos 45 plus 30, cos of a plus b. So we can write cos a cos b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we can write cos 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. And here sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now 1 into root 2 1 into root 3 by 2 into root 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So here LCM is 2 root 2. So we get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 75. So sin 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and cos 75 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So next tan 75. So tan 75 we can write as tan 45 plus 30. So apply here tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So tan 45 1 tan 30 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Here root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by here 1 into 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 1 by root 3. So root 3 into 1 root 3 minus 1 by here LCM root 3. So denominator root 3 get cancelled, we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So rationalize here, rationalize with root 3 plus 1. So we remove the denominator value. So rationalize right here, rationalize. Rationalize with root 3 plus 1. So we get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into, so rationalize with root 3 plus 1 means root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 multiply and divide with root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b into this is a minus b. So apply here a square minus b square. So apply here a plus b whole square formula, root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 by square root get cancel, we get 3 here and minus 1 square value 1. So square root get cancel, 3 plus 1 square 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So here 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, take here common 2, we get 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancel, so here we get 2 minus root 3. So tan 75 value is equal to 2 minus root 3. So similarly you can find cot 75. So cot 75 we can write as cot 45 plus 30. So apply here cot A plus B formula, cot B cot A, cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, cot 30 plus cot 45, here B value 30, A value 45. So cot 30 value root 3 into cot 45 1 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now root 3 into 1 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So here rationalize with root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 whole square by, here apply a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now here apply a minus b whole square, a square root 3 square 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 into root 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3 by, here square root get cancel, 3 minus 1 square value 1. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So take it as common here 2, we get 2 minus root 3 by 2, 2 get cancel. So cot 75 value is equal to 2 minus root 3. So this is the value of cot 75. So tan 75 value, so here apply cot A plus, here tan A plus B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So here apply A plus B whole square, this is plus, so here also plus. So here apply a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we get tan 75 value is 2 plus root 3 and cot 75 value is 2 minus root 3. So next multiple angles. Multiple angle means ratio of angle multiple with any number. Suppose sin 2a, sin 3a, sin 4a like that. So first we have to learn about sin 2a formula. So first one is sin 2a. So sin 2a formula is 2 sin a into cos a. Sin 2a formula is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, means this is sin 2 theta formula. So in place of angle we have taken here a. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. If we have sin 2 theta, write 2 sin theta cos theta. If we have sin 2x, we can write it as 2 sin x into cos x. If we have sin 2 alpha, write 2 sin alpha cos alpha. So we change here angle value. So if we have a, write a, if we have x, write x, if we have y, write y. Suppose if sin 2y, write 2 sin y cos y. So how to get this value? So already know sin a plus b formula. So sin 2a we can write as sin of a plus a. So a plus a 2a. So apply here sin a plus b formula. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b, but in place of b also write here a. So we get sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. So your formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So in place of b also write here a. So sin a cos a plus cos a into sin a, also we can write it as sin a into cos a. So sin a cos a, sin a cos a, we have two terms. Suppose if we have take it as this is x plus x 2x, so we can write it as 2 sin a cos a. So that's why sin 2a formula we can write as 2 sin a cos a. Next cos 2a. So before that sin 2a formula we have in tan also. This is sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula in tan terms. So sin 2a equal to, you know the formula, 2 sin a cos a, write it as 2 sin a cos a by 1. So something by 1 equal to something. So 1 we can write as, so in place of 1 write sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So this numerator and denominator divide with cos square. Why? Because sin by cos equal to tan. So divide with cos square, we get 2 sin a into cos a by cos square a. So denominator also divide with cos square a, sin square a plus cos square a by cos square a. So here numerator 1 cos a cancel, we get 2 sin a by cos a, 2 sin a by cos a by. So denominator we are sin square plus cos square. So we have two terms. So separate the two terms, we get sin square a by cos square a plus cos square a by cos square a. So we get sin a by cos a tan a, so we can write 2 tan a by sin square a by cos square a tan square a plus cos square get cancelled, we get 1. So sin 2a formula in tan terms is 2 tan a by, this one we can write as 1 plus tan square a. So this is the formula of sin 2a in tan terms. So sin 2a in tan terms, we can write it as 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So how to get this formula? So this is the proof. Already we know the sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a. So take it as a denominator 1. So in place of 1 write sin square a plus cos square a, then divide with cos square a and separate the terms. So we get 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So we have sin 2a formulas too. One is sin and cos terms and another one is in terms of tan. So sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, and sin 2a formula in tan is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Next cos 2a. So cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a. So in the term of sin and cos. So again we have cos 2a formula in sin terms, cos terms and tan terms. So how to get that formulas? So first one cos 2a. So cos 2a we can write as cos of a plus a. So apply here cos a plus b. Cos a plus b. Cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. But in place of b you write a. So cos a into cos a cos square a minus sin a into sin a sin square a. So we get cos square a minus sin square a. This is the formula of cos 2a in terms of sin and cos this one. So we can change this formula into sin. So cos 2a formula in sin terms. So here we get cos square a minus sin square a. So in place of cos square a, write 1 minus sin square a. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the formula we get with unity formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This one already we discussed in first session. So sin square in cos square a, in place of cos square a, write 1 minus sin square a. Why here write 1 minus sin square a? So this total changes in terms of sin. So in place of cos square a, write 1 minus sin square a and minus, again we have another sin square a. So we get 1 minus sin square a 2 sin square a. So we get minus x minus 2x minus x square minus 2x square. So here write minus 2 sin square a. So cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. It is in terms of sin. This is in terms of sin and cos. In terms of sin and cos. This is in terms of sin. Next changes into in terms of cos. So next, in place of sin square a, substitute 1 minus cos square a. In place of sin square a, substitute 1 minus cos square a, because sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So write cos square a minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square a. So cos square a plus cos square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. So we can write cos 2a in terms of cos 2 cos square a minus 1. This is in terms of cos. So next in terms of tan. Next cos 2a formula, write in terms of tan. So cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Write by denominator 1. In place of 1, write sin square a plus cos square a. So we get cos square a minus sin square a by cos sin square a plus cos square a. So numerator and denominator divide with cos square. So we get cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a by sin square a plus cos square a by cos square a. So equal to, so here numerator we have 2 terms and denominator also 2 terms, separate the terms. So we get cos square a by cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a by sin square a by cos square a minus cos square a by cos square a. Here plus. So cos cancel, here also cancel. So 1 minus sin square by cos square tan square, here tan square plus 1. So we can write 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is the formula of cos 2a in terms of tan. So cos 2a in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is in terms of tan. So next tan 2a formula, tan 2a. So tan 2a equal to sin 2a by cos 2a. So sin 2a formula in tan is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. This is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So denominator get cancelled, we get the numerator values, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this is the formula of tan 2a. So tan 2a we have only one formula in tan. So these are the formulas of sin 2a, cos 2a and tan 2a. So next fourth one, cot 2a. So to get cot 2a value, write here cot of a plus a. So apply here cot a plus b. So cot b, cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. So in place of b write a, cot a into cot a, cot square a minus 1 by cot a plus cot a 2 cot a. So cot 2a formula is cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. So this is the formula of cot 2a. So sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a and cot 2a completed. So next sin 3a. So next submultiple formula sin 3a. So how to get sin 3a formula? So sin 3a we can write as sin of 2a plus a or a plus 2a. Now apply here sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b. So in place of a write 2a, in place of b write a. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now in place of sin 2a substitute the formula 2 sin a cos a into cos a plus in place of cos 2a write cos square a minus sin square a into sin a. Now in both terms, this is one term and this one term, in both terms we have a common term a. So here cos a, so multiply here cos a, we get 2 sin a into cos square a, 2 sin a into cos square a plus here cos square a into sin a minus sin cube a. So sin 3a formula in terms of sin. So here cos square a, here also cos square a is there, this cos square a changes into sin. So we get 2 sin a into 1 minus sin square a. So cos square a we can write as 1 minus sin square a. So why? Because sin 3a in total terms of sin. So that's why cos square changes into sin square. So we can write in place of cos square a write 1 minus sin square a. So we get 2 sin a into 1 2 sin a, 2 sin a into sin square a we get 2 sin cube a plus sin a into 1 sin a minus here sin cube a minus sin cube a. So 2 sin a plus sin a 3 sin a. Next here sin cube a minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 sin cube a. So this is the formula of sin 3a. So sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. How to get? So 3a we can write as 2a plus a, apply here sin a plus b formula. Next in place of cos square a write 1 minus sin square a. Why? Because sin 3a formula total in terms of sin. So similarly cos 3a it is reverse, sin 3a total in terms of sin, cos 3a also total in terms of cos, but here first we get 4 cos cube a. So cube term first, next cos term, next 3 cos a. So this is cos 3a formula. Same similarly cos 3a how to prove? Cos 2a plus a and apply cos a plus b. So simplify it. In place of sin square, write 1 minus cos square. So we get cos 3a formula. Next tan 3a. So tan 3a also same, tan of 2a plus a, apply here tan a plus b formula. So we get tan 3a. Tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 2 tan square a. So this is tan 3a formula. Tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 plus 3 tan square a. Here we get 3. So here also 3 is there. So this is minus and this plus. So tan 3a formula is 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 plus 3 tan square a. Next we have cot 3a. So cot 3a formula also, how to prove cot 3a? Cot of 2a plus a, right here 3 cot a minus cot cube a. By 1 plus 3 cot square a. So cot 3a equal to 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 plus 3 cot square a. So this is cot 3a formula. So sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a and cot 3a. So next, using this multiple angles we can write some more formulas. So that one is 9th one. So already you know cos 2a formula in sin terms 1 minus 2 sin square a. So by using this we can write sin a formula. So this is 2 sin square a minus 2 sin square a, move this side, we get plus 2 sin square a equal to 1. Cos 2a, move this side, we get minus cos 2a. Next, sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So we can write sin a equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So this formula mostly we are using for problems. So this is a very important formula. Sin a in cos 2a terms. Sin a in terms of cos 2a plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So we have cos 2a formula in cos. Cos 2a formula in cos is 2 cos square a minus 1. So minus 1, move this side, we get plus 1, 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. Now 2, move this side, 1 plus cos 2a by 2 equal to cos square a. So remove square, we get cos a equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So this is the formula of cos a in terms of cos 2a, that is plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So using this we can write tan a and cot a. So tan means sin by cos. So plus or minus square root of, so denominator 2 cancel, we get 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Similarly tan a. So tan means cos by sin. So reverse of tan, right? Plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 1 minus cos 2a. So these four values, these four formulas also very important. These formulas mostly we are using in problems. So sin a in terms of cos 2a. So this is in terms of cos 2a. So this one also in terms of cos 2a. In terms of cos 2a. In terms of cos 2a. So we have a sin A formula in cos square A. Sin A equal to square root of 1 minus cos square A formula also there. So this is formula in terms of cos 2A. So in terms of cos 2A of 4 types, sin A, cos A, tan A and cot A, these 4 are very important. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye.